movie camera.
Okay. It's flashing red. I think that's it. I don't have my glasses on. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Soon, I hope. Yeah, you have to talk to Dougie about that one, but I'll put in a request. How's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Legs, sea buckle, helmet, chin strap. I got Paula ready. Are you ready for Paula?
Oh, I don't think he's ready. I feel like going down these steps. I'm gonna take off going. I'm like, whoa!
Paula, big step out in the way. Have some fun, girl. Big step. Oh, because you were coming in perfect.
Oh, okay.
I was like, oh, let her come in. It's all right. I don't need to slow her down anymore. How'd you like it?
It was great.
Awesome. Great scream.
Getting better,
Great
getting
scream.
better.
No. By the end, you guys are going to be professionals. You're going to be asking for a green shirt and an orange helmet.
All right, come on, bride-to-be. We're going to keep the camera running. Y'all are going to have her trained when she's walking down the aisle. She's going to be going, woo, woo!